In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect integrations in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to streamline your accounting process or expand the capabilities of QuickBooks, integrating with other apps can be a game changer. Let's dive right into it. First, when you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, you'll notice a grid icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This grid icon is your gateway to managing integrations and apps within QuickBooks. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a dashboard that showcases all the integrations currently connected to your QuickBooks account. It's a handy feature that gives you a comprehensive overview of what's linked and allows you to keep everything organized in one place. If you're ready to explore and connect new integrations, the next step is to click on Find Apps. This action directs you to the App Integration Marketplace, an extensive selection of apps designed to work seamlessly with QuickBooks Online. Here, you can browse through various apps that can enhance your QuickBooks experience, offering everything from time tracking and payroll processing to advanced reporting and e-commerce solutions. Once in the marketplace, you can search for specific apps or browse categories to find the perfect integration that suits your business needs. It's a good idea to take your time here and read through the details, features, and user reviews for each app you're considering. This will help you understand how the app can benefit your business operations and ensure it aligns with your objectives. When you find an app that catches your interest, click on it to head to its dedicated page. This page will provide you with all the necessary information about the app, including its features, pricing, and how it integrates with QuickBooks. Here, you can delve deeper into the app's capabilities to make sure it's the right fit for your business needs. If you decide you'd like to integrate this app with QuickBooks Online, simply click Get App Now, located at the top right of the app's page. This will initiate the connection process. You'll be prompted to go through an authentication process to securely link the app to your QuickBooks account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this process. Each app might have its unique setup requirements, so make sure to read through any notes or instructions provided during this step. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you can connect various integrations in QuickBooks Online to enhance functionality and efficiency in your business operations. Integrations can significantly save you time and ensure your accounting processes run smoothly. So don't hesitate to explore the opportunities available within the QuickBooks app marketplace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.